Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're going to show you our 83 Chevy C10 4-wheel drive. See a dent right there. It's a Montana truck, got a bumper guard on it there. You know, truck was probably that neutral color. Somebody repainted it red. We do got a variety of wheels that can be on it here. We have this set on it that we just took off. They're 20-inch fuel. It does have a lift. There you can see nice clean underneath there. It is a Montana truck, so not a ton of rust. The cars are all pretty good there. It does got some rocker rust on this side. And a little bit in the cab here, as you can see. Carpets, you need to put some new carpet on. Seats good. Door panels are original. If a guy repainted them, they would look a little better, but they're not too bad for dash. Has a cover lay dash on it. There you can see the windshield's broke. They're only about 150 bucks. So, but got a radio, 4-speed, 350. Like I said there, I'm talking about them doors, like the Montana, Wyoming trucks. The doors are nice and clean. And the box is good on it. There isn't any bubble in there. Like I said, there's some chips here and there. And they, for some reason at one time, they must have blasted the inside of the box. It does got, this side's okay, but a little bit of rust on this corner. That's pretty typical of a lot of Chevy trucks for some reason. Sorry about the wind. The wind's always blowing here. Didn't have a tailgate. We had to use tailgate we put on it. Like I said, not a real tough truck to redo if you want to, because it doesn't have any heavy rust. The rockers are the worst spots, and then a little cab corner work. But the doors are pretty clean. So this would be a relatively easy truck to finish, or just drive it the way it is. So like I said, I believe it was that neutral tannish color before. Somebody resprayed it red, just an average job and kind of an older job. So this would be a nice truck to drive as you restore. Runs and drives good. If you got any questions, give us a call, 605-695-7391.